So I got Monday off, which is weird. I can already see Hagrid and Remington up ahead. But before I get there, I got a lot of things actually. All sorts of spooky stuff. Yeah. I don't know, ghosts and skeletons and all the things. So I'm gonna go see the doggies. Hi. How you doing? I'll see you later. Bye. Such good boys. Rrr, rrr, rrr. Huh. I don't see any chickens this morning. Hey there, doggy. Good morning. Hello. Other doggy. Well, the streets are still wet in places. We got more dark clouds coming. Where's my crows though? They still gotta eat. They don't migrate. Where'd they go? Hi! He just flew up. Good morning. Where's all your friends? Okay, let's put some over to the side here. Oh, he just pooped. I heard that. There you go. Enjoy. It's bright. Oh, it's so bright. The sun's just rising. Oh, there he goes. Somewhere down there. I can't see. Oh, where are you going? He probably stole one. He'll be back. Hi, Ralph. Well, this is new. It looks really nice. This is in the back of Ace Body Piercing right there. And Old Schools, they sell used old records. Both places are owned by some friends of mine. They probably had some friend do this. They probably commissioned someone. Because that looks too professional to be just random graffiti. I used to party up there in my high school days. It's a cool hangout spot way up there. They used to have a little replica of the Taj Mahal just sitting on the table for years. So here we are at the bull. He's pretty big. See my hand. He's proper like person sized. He's very sturdy. You can like crawl all over him and stand on his head. He's not gonna break. He's built pretty hardy. And this is our new park with a stage back there. It's gonna be cool seeing this in use. We've got some art galleries over here. There's Gallery 1 and the Climber Museum. I wonder if their parrot's still alive. Their mascot there, I think his name was Buddy. I'm not sure, but he was pretty old. But I mean, they live a long time. He might still be alive, I don't know. He could talk. It's the party bush. So many birds. It's just a squeaking bush. Just walking out of Super 1 and I see this smiley face. It's like, no way those rocks were naturally in a circle and I see a face. Oh, I got another one. Was there any more? I see another stump, but it's got nothing on it. That's funny. Look at our sign. Where do I even live? It's so weather worn. Man.